Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called Storm in the Garden. The chapter number is 8. The chapter Storm in the Garden is from NCERT syllabus class 2 subject English. So how we are going to learn this lesson? We are going to learn this lesson with the help of an innovative idea called wrong chart teaching method. So what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method? The innovation is to enhance the concentration of the students through joyful learning by correcting the wrongly mentioned sentences and words. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea. What is the objective of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concept of preposition. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-requirements or pre-arrangements for this implementation. The pre-requirement is nothing but a chart with wrongly mentioned sentences and words in link with the lesson Storm in the Garden. And also some picture cards of dog sitting in the box, a dog sitting on the box, a dog sitting under the table, a dog sitting over the table, and so on. So these are the pre-requirements for the implementation, and let us now see the implementation process. Ask the students to read the chart where the wrongly mentioned sentences and words are written. Now, provide the students some picture cards and wrongly mentioned sentences and words and ask them to correct the statements. Show some picture cards and wrongly mentioned sentences and ask them to correct the statements with correct prepositions. The sentences will be with wrong prepositions. The students have to correct the statements with correct prepositions. So, in this way, continue the process till all the students complete this activity. And in this way, the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method? The learning outcomes are the students able to use prepositions such as in, on, under, over, behind, and so on. The students are able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story or in a poem. The students are able to express verbally, that is, able to ask questions about the sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The students able to develop their core life skills such as decision making, effective communication, and critical thinking. The students able to write or draw words and short sentences in sequence to a poem or in a sequence to a story. The students able to collect records and interpret simple information. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process, can improve their learning skills with the help of this innovative idea. Experiential learning takes the student from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, wrong chart teaching method. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.